Let us go ahead and create another ad copy with some variations in the same ad group. In order to do that, we'll select the plus sign, text ad. Let us try and add some numerical values in the headline this time. Check home loan eligibility, rates as low as 8.10%. Can I add a few more characters? Yes, I can. I still have 9 characters left. So let's try adding interest. Interest, very good. Interest rates as low as 8.10%. And can you see? Bang on target. So this is my variation, but for the same ad group, which is home loan eligibility. And I'll keep, let me just change the description a bit. Compare banks instantly, because it says interest rates as low as 8.10%. I don't want to sound too repetitive because the same sentence occurs in the headline as well. So let me just go ahead and delete this one, and let us try something else. Compare, or I'll just edit the existing. Compare top banks, compare quotes and offers from top banks. Apply now. Just a call to action for driving some more clicks. And I still have 9 characters, right? So headline 1 is of 30 characters, headline 2 is of 30 characters, and description is of 90 characters. I'll go ahead and save this ad as well. There you go. So I'll go to eligibility and keywords this time. Eligibility and the keywords. So if the user searches for home loan eligibility, the keyword home loan eligibility gets triggered from this ad group, and the user might be able to see ad number 1 or ad number 2. Who decides which one to show? Google. Google's machine learning algorithm decides which is the right ad, which ad might get a higher number of clicks and a CTR, and accordingly Google will decide in real time which ad copy to show to the user. Okay. Similarly, I'll create ads for ad group number 2, which is EMI home loan, and ad group number 3, interest home loan. How do I do that? So EMI, I don't have any ads for EMI. So this is EMI. I have keywords, but I don't have any ads. So I'll go ahead and create ad number 1, EMI ads, ad number 1, plus sign, text ad. So same concept, final URL, headline 1, headline 2, headline 3, display path, description 1, description 2. The only difference would be in this case, you will focus your ad more on EMI because this is EMI ad group. The landing page will be the same. Headline 1 will be calculate home loan EMI, because this ad will get triggered in response to keywords like home loan EMI calculator. So to make it more relevant and to drive more clicks, I'm presenting a solution. Calculate your home loan EMI. Let us add a numerical value in interest rates as low as 8.10%. If you want, you can go ahead and write description 3 as well. This is how it appears over here. Can you see description number 3, mostly on mobile devices? And let us write something meaningful. Compare offers and quotes from top. Okay, so I've exceeded my limit. So compare quotes from top banks. myloancare.in/loans slash home dash loans home. Description 1 would be, let us look at a few more description ideas. Up to 90% of property value, this can be one description, and with some numerical value. Let us add all the possible USPs. I guess that's enough because we have already reached 84 characters. If you want, you can go ahead and add description 2 as well. Up to 30 years, let's say loan tenure up to 30 years. Loan tenure up to 30 years and lowest EMI per lakh rupees, which brings in a lot of numerical values. Okay, we have some symbols, we have some numbers, but the headline is the most prominent part, right? If you look closely, headline 1, headline 2, headline 1, headline 2 are the most prominent entities. Okay, so we have headline 1, headline 2, we have headline number 3. This is description 1 and this is description 2. That is how your ads appear. Rest of the things are all extensions. This is your mobile preview and this is your desktop preview. In desktop you will find only headline 1, headline 2 and description 1. Okay, so we'll simply save this ad, and if you want you can create another ad copy for the same ad group, which is EMI. For interest rates, I'll create an ad copy which says interest rate, okay, or compare interest rates from top banks, something like that. But make sure you show relevant ads to people. Make sure that you add the keyword of that respective ad group in the ad copy as well. I'll repeat, make sure that you add the keywords of a particular ad group to the ad copies within. Am I clear? And just some additional information for you guys. This is what we have seen. Final URL, headline 1 30 characters, headline 2 30 characters, then you have the display URL or the display path, and you have description which is 90 characters long.